In this video, we will show you the basic settings for FLEX Source. First, simultaneously press Shift and 3 plus Flex buttons in the keyboard to activate the FLEX Source mode on the multi-view screen. The FLEX Source display is comprised of a background image with 4 PIP overlay windows. You are allowed to select image sources from the background as well as the 4 PIP windows. Enter the main menu, then open the FLEX Source menu. You should be able to find the shortcut options for 3 of the built-in FLEX Source types. When the FLEX Source mode is activated, each FLEX PIP window can be adjusted in regard to its border, position, and crop on the PIP menu. With 4 other PIP keys, you will be able to display up to 8 PIP windows at the same time.